friends. In this lecture, we will see relational database management system. What is relational database management system? First of all, we see the definition of relational database management system. Relational database management system is comprehensive, relative and integrated approach of data management. Let's see what is meaning of comprehensive. Comprehensive means all type of data can stored in database. And what is meaning of relative? Relative is means connected data. That means one data is connected to another data in within or in single database. Let's see what is meaning of integrated. Integrated means all type of data united togetherly within single database is called as integrated data. That means in data management system we store all type of data, that means comprehensive data, that data are connected and all type of data can store within single table or within single database is called as relational database management system. It is simple technique of managing data within database. Database management system can store data within different types of relational model. Let's see what is meaning of relational model. Relational model is mathematical concept, that is theoretical concept, which is used, or I can say it is reused in our computer science technology, that is RDBMS. And that concept in relational model we use, it is called as relations. That means relations or relational model concept in mathematical science we reuse in relational database management system for storing our data in database system. Let's see what is meaning of relations. Relations are grid-like mathematical structure which are consisting of different columns and rows. All type of data are stored logically within that combination of rows and columns. That means simply relations are having two meaning. One meaning is relations is nothing but table, and that tables are connected table within each other. Let's see the basic concept of relational database management system. There are three basic concepts of RDBMS. First of all, it has having structure, its own structure, and second is it has operators, and last one is it has integrity constraint. By using these three basic concepts, relational database management concepts are architectured or structured. Let's see what is meaning of structure. Structure consists of collection of different objects or relations. In RDBMS, that is in relational database management system, there are different types of table of particular subject or particular projects. That is collection of different objects or different tables or relation that having different kind of specific data. In simple language, relations are nothing but table. Let's see second concept, that is operators. Operators are used to manipulate or to handle data within database. And last, integrity constraint. What is meaning of integrity constraint or constraint? Integrity constraint nothing but protocols, or it is called as laws and regulations. That laws and regulations are used by combination of operators to create structure of database. By using these structure, operators and integrity constraint, we can develop or create our database, and in that database we store data within different tables. This is called as relational database management system. Let's see different components of relational database management system. There are 6 basic components. First of all, table. What is meaning of table? In before some time I have given example of what is meaning of relation. That is, relation is called as table. Table is basic structure. It consists of combination of rows and column, and it consists of, or it present entity. Entity means property of that data that explain behavior of that particular entity or that thing. For example, in database management system of different department, we store different department table in database, and that department relation store information about different department like department number, department name, department branch, and department location. All these type of different things are nothing but entity, and these entity are stored in the table of database. The second component is